Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if your Bumble is not working. So let's go ahead and go to your settings of your mobile phone and go to your apps and search in Bumble. And in that Bumble app, go to your storage and clear cache. If your cache is all cleared up, then open Bumble again. If it is working, then it's fine. Then if it is not working again, then sign up from your Bumble app, log out, and log in again. Even after that it's not working, then uninstall the Bumble app, then reinstall again from your App Store or your Play Store. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.